Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template, Angular 22 plus Bootstrap 5, fully responsive. So friend, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And also, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. There is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. I have full-time freelance, so you can hire me as well. And now the demo begins for e-commerce site Angular 22. Here we go. So first, announcement section. See, the main nav section. See friends. Beautiful. And the nav bar, mega menu as well. See guys, and navigation, the beautiful hero section. See guys, the beautiful color combination as well. Show by category. See the categories, we can add images as well. Flash sales. See guys, with timer as well. Beautiful section as well. New arrivals. See guys, tabbing as well. See, new arrivals works well. Best sellers. Here we have show for. See guys, beautiful section. Show for look as well. Just beautiful. Testimonials, newsletter, and beautiful footer. So guys, see the beautiful e-commerce template Angular 22. And if you want this, just ping me via my blog, and after it I will come with more demos. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.